Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at Laurels on Invicta Road. Now, this is a beautifully presented detached family home, giving you 5 double bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a very impressive 36-foot open plan living space, and of course a beautiful 157-foot rear garden. Now, you've also got the double garage and plenty of off-road parking here, as well as a beautiful modern finish. So let's go through and take a look at what the property has to offer. Coming straight through in off of the hallway, we're taking a left, and you can see here a very conveniently placed study. So if you are looking for that extra reception space or study area, then this is absolutely perfect. With the rest of the property, you do have a far more open plan feeling, so we'll go through and take a look at that now. Coming through into the open plan lounge, dining and kitchen space here, you can again see that beautiful modern aesthetic continued. A bank of bifolding doors there to the rear, just going through into that 157-foot rear garden gives you plenty of space to work with and a huge amount of light coming through as well. The lounge area there is really well appointed, and coming through across into this nicely separated space, you can see that we've got plenty of room there for a very large dining room table, and the kitchen itself is absolutely fantastic. You do come with a full range of fitted appliances here, as well as space for some white goods, and then of course you've got the utility room there as well. So we'll take this space in for a few moments, and then of course we'll head out into the rear garden, take a look at what we've got out there. Beautiful space. Then we'll come back indoors to take a look at the bedrooms and of course the main family bathroom. So having been out in the rear garden taking a look at that beautiful space, we've come back indoors and we've just taken a quick look there at the cloakroom. Now we're going to head upstairs to take a look at the 5 double bedrooms and 3 bathrooms that this property has to offer, and as soon as you get to the top of the stairs you can see this wonderful amount of light and bright and airy space that you've got straight away. Now coming straight through into the first of the bedrooms here, you've got a wonderful double-sized room. This is the first of the en-suited rooms, and of course you've got plenty of space in here, not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage as well. So we'll go through and take a look at the ensuite, and we'll head into another bedroom. Coming through now into bedroom number 5, good sized room, works perfectly either as another study space or as dressing room or as a single bedroom. Coming through now into another double room, we've got plenty of space in here not only for the double bed but of course plenty of storage as well, and you do already have those fitted wardrobes just ahead of us there and on the left hand side as you enter the room. Heading into another double bedroom, this time with the view to the front. You can see here plenty of space for the double bed, and again more space for storage. Really nice features here on the landing, with of course that picture window to the front, letting all of that natural light flood through and coming through into the main family bathroom, with the shower on the left hand side and the bath on the right. Again, lots and lots of light coming through from the Velux window there at the side. So we're going to head into the main bedroom now with the ensuite and fitted wardrobes, and this is a spectacular space. And whilst we're taking a look at this, we're just going to run through a couple of the property's key points and wrap up today's tour. So this is Laurels on Invicta Road, a beautifully presented detached family home, giving you 5 double bedrooms and that beautiful open plan living space to the rear. You've got the double garage and a beautiful 157-foot rear garden on offer with this one. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.